Hey everyone, it's Trend. And let's be real, who doesn't want to grow their money? Today we're diving headfirst into the world of investing, specifically the stock market. Welcome to our guide on how to invest in the stock market. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your strategy, these steps will help you get started on the right foot. We're going to break down everything, from understanding how it all works to actually picking stocks and diversifying your portfolio like a pro. This is about building long-term wealth, making your money work for you, and securing your financial future. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Before you even think about throwing money into the stock market, you absolutely need to understand the basics. Learn about how it operates, the different types of stocks, what makes them go up and down, and the different investment strategies. Luckily for you, there are tons of resources out there. Books, online courses, even financial news websites. Get curious, absorb that information, and set yourself up for success. Alright, you've got the basic knowledge down, now it's time to get real with yourself. What are you hoping to achieve by investing? Are you thinking long-term, like building a retirement nest egg, or looking for dividend income to supplement your 9-to-5 grind? Knowing your goals will shape your entire investment strategy, so get clear on what you want your money to do for you. This is probably the most crucial step in the entire process. You absolutely never want to invest money you might need in the short term. That means rent, bills, groceries, all of that needs to be taken care of first. Once you've got your essential expenses covered, then you can decide how much you can realistically afford to invest. Now things are getting real. You've got your knowledge, your goals, and your budget. It's time to open a brokerage account. Think of this as your personal portal to the stock market, the place where you'll be buying and selling those stocks. Do your research, compare brokerage firms, and choose the one that best fits your needs and your level of experience. This is where the real fun begins, picking your stocks. But hold on, this isn't about blindly throwing darts at a board. Look into companies that genuinely interest you, industries you understand, or even brands you love. Dive deep into their business model, check out their financial health, see how they stack up against their competitors. The more you know, the smarter your investment decisions will be. You've probably heard this one before, and for good reason. Diversification is key to managing risk in the stock market. If you put all your money into one stock and that company tanks, well, there goes your entire investment. Instead, spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and even asset classes. This way, if one area of the market takes a hit, your entire portfolio won't go down with it. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. But the journey doesn't end there. The stock market is constantly changing, so it's crucial to keep an eye on your investments and how they're performing. Review your portfolio regularly, see what's working, what's not, and be prepared to make adjustments based on your goals and how the market is doing. The learning never stops in the world of investing. Make it a habit to stay informed about market trends, economic news, and any changes within the companies you've invested in. Dedicate some time each week to read articles, listen to podcasts, or watch videos from reputable sources. Look, I get it, investing can feel intimidating, especially at first. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about making those investment decisions, it's totally okay to seek professional help. Financial advisors are there to guide you, create a personalized plan based on your goals and risk tolerance, and answer any questions you might have. There you have it, your roadmap to investing in the stock market. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, informed decisions, being patient, and watching your money grow over time. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations or try to time the market. That's a recipe for disaster. Stay focused on your goals, keep learning, and enjoy the journey. If you have any specific questions, feel free to ask. Happy investing!